Hello guys, what is up, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can find your link to invite your friends in Monopoly Go. The process is quite quick and quite easy. You can't really mess it up, so let's get right into it, guys. What you want to do to actually find your link and what your link is used for is to actually invite your friends to play the game with you. So by that logic, what we want to do is go to the bottom right to the Friends tab and click on it. Once we actually click on it, you will see this tab, guys. You will first see the screen in which you can add friends or accept requests which have been sent to you. You can see a timeline of activities from your friends. Let me just collect this community chest from this player right here, and then you can see the leaderboard of all your friends and see where you are placed on it. Once you enter this tab, as you can see in the Add Friends tab, you will see the big green invite button. What you want to do is click on this button and this screen will pop up. Once it pops up, you can see these two buttons, one orange and one blue. The top one, the orange one, is for the invite link, and the bottom one is for sending that link through Facebook. What you want to do to actually find your link is click on the big orange button on the top, and then this screen will pop up. The standard screen for sharing anything or pretty much any link ever. So once you click on that, how you can find and copy and paste your link is by clicking on the copy button, and now I have copied my link and it is on my clipboard. Once I do that, I can send it to anyone, anywhere. I can send it through Messenger, through Instagram, through Facebook, through WhatsApp, through Telegram, even post it online on sites such as Reddit, which will allow players to become my friends by clicking on my link. And once they actually do, guys, what will happen is I will get a dice reward, and that is pretty much it. What friends are mainly used for, or what they're important for, is the big community chest. You can see in the middle of my screen. The more friends you have, the bigger multiplier you can get, and the more rewards you can have, and you need at least 5 friends to actually access that minigame. That would be it from me. I told you all there is to know about this, and I hope you enjoyed. You learned something new, and I will see you in another video.